Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. So happy new year guys. I wanted to show you how I work with the project, which is my 15th project on Upwork. Forum links like this one. And getting paid about 160 and 120 a in process, about $500 per month from this client single Concov Technologies. So this is how much they have paid me, 280, and there's more work, so it will be more. So guys, here we what we have to do is keep applying to jobs, have JSS of 100%, like link building jobs, Google Maps listing, off page on page SEO, see the client how much he has spent, 5-star goes business review posting is also I have got a job. इसमें भी नहीं करेंगे, we will mark it. And then these are some of the jobs I've applied to recently. The end you have to show them कि this link is indexed or not. That also I will show you how to check. Yeah, this is the site. It shows the SAP कि the link is indexed or not. Paste the link here. You to checkbox here. Check index status here. So this link is indexed. It is on Google. Put this in the report.